Hello student, today we are going to see the second unit of paper 4th, that is it is the name of the unit is endocrine gland and their regulations. Okay, so initially we should know the definition of hormones and exocrine gland, endocrine glands. What does it mean? Because this endocrine gland and endocrine glands, these both glands play an important role for the human beings. So basically, this endocrine gland means these glands, they are found internal body of the structure of the humans, and exocrine gland means outside the body of the humans. Okay. So basically, we are going to see the definition of hormones. What is hormones? Basically, these hormones is nothing but the synthetic substance with a similar effect to that of an animal or plant hormones. These hormones, they are initially important for their animal behavior. If the hormones is not work properly, definitely they are effect on their body. So it is one of the regulatory substance produced in an organism and transported in tissue fluids such as the blood, and it stimulates a specific cells or tissue into the action. And also it is one of the personal sex hormones as held to influence behavior or the mood of their hormones, how they are work. So naturally, when we are going to see these endocrine hormones and exocrine hormones, so these endocrine hormones, it pertaining to hormones and the glands that make and secrete them to the bloodstream through their travel to affect the distance organ. It is endocrine is as opposed to exocrine glands. So the endocrine hormones, its function is there. Endocrine hormones, which is the endocrine hormones? Pancreas, pituitary, pineal, thyroid. This is the secreting glands and the endocrine glands. And there are many functions. This pineal hormone, they are control sleep and wake cycle. Pituitary hormone, they are work for control the estrogen and testosterone production as well as ovulation. Pancreas hormones helps to reduce your blood and glucose levels, and pancreas helps to increase levels of the blood sugar. So you can see this endocrine system and general function of hormones. It helps to regulate the extracellular fluid metabolism, biological clock, contraction and relaxation of the cardiac muscles and smooth muscle, glandular secretions, some immune systems or immune function like growth, development and the reproduction. So this endocrine system also, they are exocrine and endocrine glands. And exocrine gland means sweat, oil, mucus and digestive gland. And the endocrine gland is the already I have explained, the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pineal glands. So what hormones they are work together? The secreting cell, the target cell and the receptor cells. And the secreting cells, they are blood vessels and target cells. And the endocrine system is a collection of glands that secrete chemical messenger we call the hormones. The general mechanisms of hormone action: the hormone binds to cell surface or receptor inside target cell. The same cell may then synthesize new molecules, change permeability of membrane, alter rates of reactions. Each target cell responds to hormone differently. The liver cell, insulin cells and adipose cells. Endocrine related problems: overproduction of the hormones, underproduction of the hormones and non-functional receptors that cause target cell to become intensive to hormone. And the stimulus hormones, that is hypothalamus, it is releasing the hormones, inhibiting the hormones. Then pituitary hormones, stimulating the hormones, and gland hormones, they are target for their work together. The anterior pituitary and flow of blood, you can see this anterior pituitary hormones, they are controlling the hormones enter the blood, travel through the portal veins, enter anterior pituitary and the capillaries. When we are going to see these exocrine hormones, it pertaining to the secretion of substance or through a duct, that is exocrine, is opposed to endocrine, which refers to the secretion of a substance into the bloodstream. And the exocrine gland of external, it is also known as the external glands, while the endocrine glands are glands of internal secretions. So there is a difference between exocrine and endocrine gland. Exocrine glands are the gland of external secretions, and endocrine glands are the gland of internal structure. So these hormones, they are important for their functionally, and they are work together. If they are not work properly, definitely there is a problem of their animal or the human beings.